acting crazy, yeah. It's a video now. You was the one kept moving at first, so I did a video. Do you want to do a video or picture?
Ready? What?
Hey, baby. Yeah, we gotta get out of here because we stay on CP time. But look, oh, my baby look good.
No, baby.
Oh, I ain't gonna say that on YouTube.
But no, we're getting ready to go because we're not like late, but we are running. Okay.
Look at my gay bag. Thank you, Rose. Love you, baby. Stop it. Let's go. Huh?
Even though she said it was inside to be a sunset.
What is it called?
I guess I'll just ask. It's called
Every little thing is gonna be
Did you see all
alright.
the catfish?
Those are catfish?
No, I'm sure I'm gonna get up there at some point. I'm recording. You look cute though. Are you?
Look at babe. Look, she got catfish. Babe, open your eyes. Why you got your eyes closed? Yeah. That's kind of creepy.
Fish. Do it again for the video. That was only pictures. Yeah, come do it for the content. Do it for the Instagram.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did why fault and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh.
What do you do again? I end up trying to be family friends.
You don't have to be the
They're not here. Where are they?
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that careful. Like the Baba Frayo, Frayo. Don't cry, oh.
Get you one of them catfish.
That's crazy.
I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make with that pin all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani catch you.
We already gave you too much. Ooh, this one's.
Why you say I did nothing for you?
Oh, I didn't realize that
If
was
I do
one behind
anything you
there. A tiki.
want me to do, Timbani catch you.
It was
I'm a white
with the earrings. Yeah.
Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want me to do,
Ooh, that frost is so
maybe
big.
another time,
I feel like
maybe
it's about to say
another
if I do
life. My wife,
Sure.
I'm gonna get it right.
This story, I like that.
Last night, now everybody go chop breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my
They don't sleep
yo.
on me.
Don't cry yo, and if you go and shine yo,
I gotta go to something.
and if you go and go, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that careful. Like the Baba Frayo, my yo. Don't cry yo. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and
I don't know where you think he going.
shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow,
Fuck that Lilo.
I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings to they swing like Timberlake at you. From a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timberlake at you.
What you doing, huh, sir?
From a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything.
Who left their shoes? Me and Babe going to the beach at night, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This is scary.
There's nobody else out here. Just now people came in, but we're the only
We're gonna name
ones
this
out.
video, we visited a haunted beach.
Oh my gosh. I'm not scared, but I am nervous.
You nervous?
Baby, stop being scared. We're being crazy. Are we supposed to leave our shoes here? I guess no one's gonna take them.
Shoot, oh girl did.
Well, I mean, what else are we gonna do? We can't walk. Someone way down there. Oh, wait, look.
Y'all here pointed our shoes. Sam about to get our shoes stolen, or we're gonna forget them.
Okay, guys, make sure you watch out in case someone tries to get us.
This stink out here. I'm supposed to be doing work.
Does it smell?
Actually, I'm not. No, it smells like ocean. Yeah, that ain't me stink. I mean,
Oh, the sand's pretty
it's
clean.
soft.
y'all.
It's nice soft.
It's pretty clean.
That's I just saw something wrong.
No, it's real.
Ooh, it looked pretty back there.
I don't want to look at the ground.
That looked pretty. Come on, we gotta make it to the ocean before my phone dies.
Are those seashells? They got drunk and left.
That's why I say people
late night
yeah,
people.
baby pointed it so I can see everything.
Don't let them hear that, babe.
That's why they out here. Who's that?
See me. We're getting closer to the ocean. You're making me nervous.
Come on, we gotta make it to the ocean before my phone dies.
Come on. We're at least gonna make it down here, y'all.
I'm to the ocean. Woo, that's an destination.
You think it's cold?
We take y'all on these. Where you at, babe?
You think it's cold?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Okay, y'all. Oops, hold on, wait. Okay, we're gonna try and go.
Okay. It's gonna be cold.
Here's some of the seashells broken down. Let's see. Here we go, guys. Okay.
Hopefully it's
Oh, it's not that bad right now. Hold on. It's
Yeah.
not as cold as you would think it would be. Oh, it's pretty out here, though. Did you guys see?
Oh, I hate how it feel like it's moving you. This how you. No, baby, because you ain't pointing the light at the ground. At the, point it at the. Oh.
Oh, there we go, guys. We're here in the night ocean.
Woo!
Woo! Okay, it's nippy now.
Why do I hate how water feels like it's moving?
It's making me feel like I'm on a ride. Does it make you feel like it, babe? It's quicksand!
Baby, bitch.
Oh, I got pants on, baby.
Oh. Alright. Babe just finally got here. She had to go get a
my omelet, y'all. I got sausage, spinach, cheese, onions, and tomatoes.
What's on your plate?
I'm really excited about this mini muffin. Let's try it. It's banana though.
These waffles are banging.
For real?
Especially with the strawberry sauce and the whipped cream.
I wasn't sure if it was real sweet.
Yeah, I was scared too, but it's better than I was nervous. It's good. We ain't even smoked y'all with it. Even though we had time.
Yeah, we did, but we didn't know how breakfast was going to be, honestly. Like,
We're gonna check out back.
they probably don't if it's up here in a daiquiri.
And they got.
No, I don't think they have it. Oh my god, can you drive too? Yeah, of course we have to drive.
Oh!
Oh my god, I thought we have to buy alcohol now, or you get a daiquiri.
Hey, how are you? Do y'all have not NA beers?
NA beers?
She said, what the hell is that?
What
What shots? What flavors?
Fruit punch, strawberries, pineapple, bluegrass.
Was it? Can y'all take tips? Yeah. Okay.
Kind of cool, bro.
Definitely cool that you can just pull up in these things.
Say what's up to our video.
Thank you.
I appreciate you.
Okay, thank you so much. Bottoms up.
Hey, actually gave me one for free, so.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't notice.
I gave her the $5.
Yeah,
Keep the
yeah,
change,
nice,
So we
yeah.
realized I gave her $3 to use
Yeah.
too. So she
Came out spiffy.
Yeah, good for her. Let's see.
Mmm.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll drink that second one then. You be good. Better take me to lift it, close,
The look hit me at the end.
Oh my god, everything's closed except for quick corners.
Woo!
Oh my god.
My mouth is salivating.
I miss
Nothing's
the
open.
liquor stores.
Family. I love you, baby.
I love you.
We're going out to get something to eat.
Sydney.
Real life, mirror life. Real life, mirror life. Look at him. He's such an angry bro.
Be a dad while we're gone.
Hey, baby. Rocky Road chocolate truffle that my baby got me. Ooh, good. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Do it again. Is it giving s'more?
It's giving nuts, and you know I don't like
Did I get s'more or did I get Rocky Road? Rocky Road.
Yours.
Good SNS Nation, it's your girl Britt. Sam is in the kitchen getting us some snacks. I just wanted to chime in to tell you that we're back. And that was when we visited San Padre Island back in August. Now we're going to fast forward to December. Y'all know it's a big sad birthday. So make sure to wish me a happy belated birthday in the comments. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the channel. If you want us to continue to post, be sure to engage and leave a comment, even if it's just a heart. Because the more y'all show love, the more y'all motivate us to post.
All right, let's get here, babe. I'm excited. You excited? Look at my baby looking good. Show us your nails, babe. Ooh, they look so pretty. Just like you. Now look. Get in there. I'm going to get the morning queso with sausage. And I'm going to get...
Thank you.
Thank you.
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry yo. And the people and shadow, and the people and shadow, and the people and shadow, shadow, shadow.
This side looking way better.
Come here, babe. What do you think? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my baby. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want?